Well, today it's the 27th of June 2022. We have the 3 main elevators at
12, car B.
At the Lapland Hotels Arena in Tampere, Finland. Now, we had tried to film here before, but the 12th top floor was not open then, but now it's open. So we might get 3 full rides in these 3 elevators here, and without staying here, because it doesn't need it. Even though it doesn't have a bad design, but it's still boring Schindler.
Yeah.
Even though it has touch buttons outside.
Door closing.
It will be inspected in the next year, 2023, and the serial number is 11246808. Sounds like a Coney, but it's not.
Closing.
I'm not sure what the capacity is.
Yeah.
Maybe there's more information in another one.
Floor 12. Door opening.
Here we have the terrace floor,
Yeah.
where they have a sauna area as well.
Yeah.
0,
Rooftop
car
terrace.
B.
You take the same one down.
Yeah.
And that's got some nice views of Tampere from here as well.
Yeah.
Floor 0. Door opening.
13 floors.
Yeah.
I'll try to get the elevators A and C.
Yeah.
Door 12, car B.
It will go out there.
Yeah.
Door closing.
Can I press the call button?
Yeah.
Let's wait for the door.
Yeah.
No.
12, car B.
No.
Serious.
12, car B.
No, not that one. Too bad there's no furniture outside where the elevators
4,
are.
car A.
We can get the floor, the elevator 4 here.
Yeah.
5, car A.
And then we can just go down again and take a full ride.
Yeah.
Strangely enough, no information about the capacity here either.
Door
Yeah.
closing.
And on the 5th floor,
Floor 4,
we can press the ground
door
floor button.
opening.
Yeah.
Door closing. Floor 5, door opening. Zero, car A.
This time, forward.
Door closing.
Press floor 12 from there.
Yeah.
And it doesn't stop on the 2nd floor.
Yeah.
Floor 0.
Inspektiert paitsi meitä
Door
Schindler.
opening.
Again, what about that?
Door closing. Door opening.
We'll wait until it will be set up. I'll pause the video.
Yeah.
Door closing.
Auto.
C.
We got to see the start. The right one. Then we will try the elevator A again.
Yeah.
It's so weird that they don't have the capacity here.
Yeah.
Closing.
Not even in the A elevator A.
Floor 12. Door opening.
Actually, elevator A doesn't go here.
Huh?
It's not.
It doesn't go here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
0. Car C.
But the fifth floor is the highest it goes.
Yeah.
And we filmed it already.
Yeah.
Floor 0.
No, that's it.
Opening.
Expected light saving maintained by Schindler.
Thanks for watching. That was really weird that only two of them go to the top 12 floor.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's